How's everybody doing? Unless you borrowed it from someone on. Honestly, probably. We got Elijah, Inrin in the chat, so make sure to say hi to them, guys. It's weird being on stream and not having to be forced to wear the headphones, because now this time I can actually like skip them and just be like tossed to the side. I'm doing well. I just came back from game night with some friends. We're opening a R.E.P.O box that came from Elijah and Aaron over there. Which I believe how to say their Etsy name is Draconraven. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. I will not be offended if you correct me about it. I got it. Let's go. I'm proud of myself. Let's go. I'm streaming and I'm also recording, so you guys will end up seeing this video eventually over on my YouTube channel underneath the same username as here. And clips of this will also be over on my TikTok as well. Now, I've had to wait like a week for this box, and I am excited because this is not no tiny little box. It's actually a decent sized box. We got the little logo right here. It's so cool. So, we all know that I got that bad obsession with R.E.P.O. And that I've been repping these amazing people. I would not change that for any other thing. Let me open the box down here because I don't need none of y'all seeing anything that you probably shouldn't be seeing. I do know one thing that's in here, and I've been excited for it. You know, at least this is easy tape, not the freaking tape you see on freaking Amazon packages that like you gotta take all your freaking arm strength about. Yeah, Amazon be like, you know what? We're gonna make you guys work for whatever you just bought. Telling us that we weak. But those packages do be testing your strength, honestly. You guys might also see a Maddox. You can kind of see his toes down here. They insist making us get a new box to return. They do. They be like, you know what? We're going to give you this box for you to destroy. And then, oh, you want a new box because you got to return something? Yeah. This one piece of tape just tests my strength. My strength kind of left after opening the middle part of it. Making a whole mess over here for no reason. I was smart this time and I made sure to have things nearby. You're watching 2 streams? Well, I'm glad you can tune into mine, buddy. Alright, look, I'll show you guys this way. See, it's not no small thing in here. There's a bunch of things in here. So if nobody goes and gets their own R.E.P.O item after this stream, we gonna have some fighting words in private. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a little bag down here. Yeah. We got 8 things in here. We got bubble wrap for days. So I have the little pouch right now. So yeah, I have blanket issues. So, over there, that's mainly where my dog sleeps. So that's kind of like blankets that like are old. Same with down here. He's got old blankets. His dog bed has 2 or 3. The couch has, I think, 4. And then there's like 2 on the top of the couch. And then there's a thingy over here, a cabinet that has like another 6 blankets. My bed is the worst. My bed has a good like 18 blankets. I have a bad addiction when it comes down to that. I got their business cards. So these will be going with me when I take my little trip. We got the back and the front. I just used the same company to get mine. Shout out to them. Listen, I'm telling y'all, you know, like when you go to like a business or like a restaurant or something and you don't know if you're gonna get like good service or not, I can promise you, you are going to get good service with Elijah and Aaron. It's been nothing but positive experience every time I've talked to him. Maddox, yeah, if we're talking about him, he's definitely the woman in the relationship. He acts like he pays all the bills. He's spoiled rotten. Gets whatever he wants, almost. I moved back to my home state for this dude. He is a princess. I have a small one right here. You do more than you can. Oh my goodness, it's a little hurt. This is definitely going in my bag. I've got a backpack that is strictly for when I'm working. So this will be going with me tomorrow, including the little head that's been on my desk. Yeah, it might start telling people some love stories that don't need to be out there. I'm kidding. Alright. We all know my number one hatred when it comes to this freaking game. We got the stupid duck. We got the stupid duck. Apex Predator. His little toes are the most cute part. At least I can pick this one up and it's not gonna betray me. I can pick up the duck and not get eaten. He's like the size of my palm. He's like not even. He's like right there. They have a vicious version. That would be a Aaron and Elijah question if they would potentially do that. Little close up on him. I'm not getting betrayed for once. His little wings move too. Look at it. They move. They're a little wobbly. We got purely innocent, nice ducks. I have the next one. we have the little tumble. Look at him. He's just a little tumble. Hey, Pixie, if you use my promo, you get 25% off on 2 or more purchases. He's a little tumble. He's a little tumble. His little arms move. Oh my god. Here you go. I got you. Here you go. Spend so much on pizza. His little arms move, so they go like this. I'm like a little kid in a freaking Toys R Us. If anybody remembers Toys R Us. Oh my goodness. This is the one I've been waiting for. If I knew it was in this one, I would have waited off on it. But now I have it in my hand. We have a adult size semi-bat with a little crown. And you ready? You put him in the little stand. And now we have a rebellion baddie. King of the losers. Right here, it has my gamer tag. So now I have 2 that goes on stands. This one goes on a stand. And then we have the original King of the Loser. We got a dark blue. And then we got a little one, a lighter blue. I'm telling you, I'm gonna need a shelf for all of these. I'm gonna need a shelf. Yeah, Elijah sent me a picture too, and I was like, oh my god. On the back of the school bus. Listen, I would do anything to be a little kid all over again watching the Magic School Bus. Is this the normal tumble? Yes, this is the normal tumble. This is the one without a keychain to it. And his arms do move too. They do the wiggle wobble. He looks like he has seen a lot during that shipment. I think he's seen a lot. I think he's now petrified for the rest of his life. He's not ready for the rest of his life. I have a big one. Oh god, it's the robe. We got the robe. We got the robe. We got the robe man who likes to tickle your toes. He likes to tickle your toes. He likes to tickle your toes and try and eat your toes. You know, bring them home to his... I feel like he would bring them home to the duck. Tickle your bum home. He's a little robe. He looks like he's definitely seen some things too. Like somebody done told him like a very bad story and now he's like completely traumatized by it. He does not know what to think. Don't worry. The robe kills me too. We got the R.E.P.O sign. And he has his widow stand too. Oh, I also found it too. That was a little hidden. Here's the other potion battle. So while I have it, you have the keychain one and you have the normal one. So you get the keychain and then we got this one. And then, while I'm on that topic too, we have keychain one of the Tembu. And then we have a non-keychain one. They both move. Don't worry, the potion ain't gonna make you start talking crazy. No, it's the potion bottle. It's just without, the, thingy-mabobber, the chain. We have the R.E.P.O sign. I love how it's so accurate in the color, too. It has its own little stand, too. There's a little stand that you can attach it to. So it stands up by itself. Freaking tape. The tape is the purest of evil. I'm kidding. It's not. Oh, God. I know what this goes to. Alright. You guys are not prepared for this guy. You are not ready for this guy. This is who, Skits wants to get. So if you've been talking to Skits recently, we all know. He wants the head, man. Skits is missing out. This dude has seen some things. He has seen some things. Not nice things either. He has his own little stand that he gets to be on. And all of this is like straight up 3D printed. That's the crazy part. Like the things that you could do with a 3D printer is like freaking crazy. It's a self-portrait. That's bad. But like the things that like 3D printers can do is freaking crazy. Honestly, I agree with you. Like imagine if his eyes could glow. You know, just have some glowing eyes, like the ones that like if you leave him like on a like when the window seals, or out in like the sun, like on your car, and then like you take him inside, and the eyes glow. The freaking I can't think of what it's called. Yes, glow in the dark. Yes, thank you. My brain just completely stopped working. Oh my God, Aaron. As much as I want to get like a Minecraft cauldron with lava and throw him in there, this is the one time I'll ever say the duck is cute. And it's mainly because it's not betraying me right now, trying to eat my face off and biting my booty cheek. This is the one time I'm gonna allow him to live. But if I catch him in R.E.P.O, he's dead. He's so cute. It's so nice not being betrayed by a duck right now. Here you go, I got you. Boop. I booped him for you. Boop. He got 2 boops. When you don't say anything crazy. The one time you're holding the potion heart, you're not saying anything crazy. The one time. For monsters, my favorite has to be the duck. For semi-bots, as much as I love my King of the Loser. You can't beat this. It's got my name. You can't beat this at all. You can't. I love this. This is freaking amazing. I love you guys. Like, seriously. Like, I'm so beyond happy that I get to work, like, side by side with y'all. Like, I freaking love it. Oh, is the one... I didn't know that the mouth opened, too. I know the other one did, but I didn't think this one did, too. You know what? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. So, it's not gonna stay. But... I put the duck in the mouth. Good night, Mommy Cheese. I love you. look at the duck. He deserves it after all the betrayal it's ever done to me. This is the one time I had to do it. I had to do it. Oh! He opens his mouth too. Now you got me going back, checking these. Told you how well I was paying attention. Make sure to read the fine print. They do open their mouths. Ah! When you get chased, man. There's only one thing you can do in that moment. Scream. Man, I'm gonna have to put one of my shelves up for these guys. But like, I've been thinking about rearranging my room too. So like, so then like you're able to see these guys in the background at all times. I learned that when I got the dark blue one. But I was just like, I like the way the arms are when they just look like they're just like. Hey, you're more than welcome to. I love it. I love advertising you guys. I love talking about y'all. Like seriously, I wouldn't ask for a better company to be working side by side with so far. I'm definitely excited to give people your business cards now. This is gonna make life so much easier. Who's mowing their lawn? You know what? If they're mowing their lawn at 2:22 a.m., I think there's some drama going on, and they gotta find an excuse to be outside finding out what drama it is. Like how people be like trying to sweep their lawn. Dedicated gardener. You sure that's not skits? I agree. Like it's seriously been a blast. Like every time I talk about y'all, it's nothing but like freaking happiness that comes out of me. Like I love it. Woo. This guy is definitely going in my bag. My bag's actually over here. Wow. It's that black one right there. That's my work bag. Maddox is currently dead to the world. You would think that dude works a 24-hour shift with only like a 2-hour break. Honestly, he does. Sorry. He'll probably move too. I don't have any of his traits, so I can't coach him to really move. But he'll probably turn. Maddox. There you go. You kind of see his head. Hi, baby. Come here. Come here. Oh, with his stumper tail. he's wiggling his tail and was sitting. Hi, baby. Come here. Here, I'll lower it even further. There you go. Come here. I'll move the box, you little princess. Come here. Come here. There you go. You sweepy. You sweepy boy. You my sweepy boy. You sweepy. This is my pride and joy, my kiddo. Good boys. Yeah. But he's used to me being up all night and sleeping all day, so when that happens, he normally just leaves me and goes upstairs to my mom. Now he's being cute again. He flopped and he's like in this little curl ball. He's not a chocolate lab. He's got a box head. He's a American Staffordshire Terrier. That is our best guess of what he is, and that's what he's matched like the most when we're looking, when we were looking up like dog breeds when we got him, because at first we thought he was a pit mixed with lab, but he only weighs like 56 pounds, probably 59 now, and he hasn't grown or anything, so we were like, what else could he be? And then I was like, you know what, I wonder. I looked up American Staffordshire Terrier, and that's what he matches the most of. So we just say that he's American Staffordshire Terrier, because I don't feel like spending the $100 so for a DNA test for him. He was also a street dog, so it kind of makes sense if he was some sort of pit breed, because that's typically what you sadly find in a lot of places. Yeah, it was probably the lighting, because my light is over here on this side. He's over on that side. So he's on, like, the complete other side of it.